I'm a pink lover, so I'm going for everything, even the food that I eat pink.
It's just fall apart. Put it back together.
Even what I eat is pink, so
What you making?
who that?
Madam, I mean, Amanda Daniel.
I'm making strawberry cake.
Winner say hi.
That's my aunt because I can't
Who is
read
reading my message? Who is
Walter.
reading my massa?
alone.
Interpreter.
Walter, my aunt is reading because
Who is reading
can't
my
read.
message? What are we like? You give me the message.
Subscribe and like the live, guys. So I'm just gonna do the pouring in like that. So for the people that decide to come late, that's their fault, not mine. They know what time I'm here. They didn't turn on their notification, so every day I'm up afternoon from me need to write it on the screen.
Jamaican man.
I'm gonna live up Florida.
I am a Jamaican, but I reside in Florida, man. Where are you from? Walter, you know I'm your favorite person on earth. Of course you are, Walter. Beat out the egg in something.
See, May's not good at this.
Get something and beat out the egg and take out the eye.
Beating the egg. And take out my eye.
Much sitting you have. Use them up, man.
Beating the egg and take out my eye.
Take one fast, take out the white chocolate type. No raw cake around here. Love the shape of your face. Oh, thank you. Where are you from? I'm a Jamaican man.
Can't pay attention to the chat, so I have my interpreter.
Maybe you should go on my bed. Do 500 push-ups right now. After you. My comments and new comments, please like and subscribe. What are you making? Strawberry cake. Take out the white stuff and meat out the egg. Thank you. That laugh is manianica.
I get so lost today.
What word is this? Maniacal. Do a next bit and say yes, chef. Antoinette, what are you getting for doing the translation? A piece of cake. Your aunt laughs like Joker. Maybe I am Joker's wife. What you do over there?
You must have been having no power on my shoulder. No, me use it for, but I must have been have no power on my shoulder to bring it up. Yeah, use it for.
That's what I say again, because that laugh. Tell the chef to make 10,000 cakes in 4 hours. Please.
Really? You think I don't have anything?
3 eggs! How long does it take to make this? 20 minutes. No shells, please. No, sir. How much minutes upon there? 20 or 18?
8 inches, 24 minutes, 9 inches. How much is
That's a 9.
9 inches?
Okay. How much does egg cost over there? All depends on the brand egg. From maybe what 5 something up to you for egg. You know, see people want the price of egg. About 5. You know. What are you cooking?
Both sides.
You can't take on the 1 year and something yet?
Actually, egg, you know.
Mike say organic was $6.99 and doesn't like it anymore. Good night, darling. I'm going to sleep. Walter. Why is her baking in slow motion? She's been touching the eggs for 30 minutes. Great answer. Hey, Island girl, I'm late again. Syria. Jesus, a bird.
Syria reach.
Somebody say I work on the egg for 30 minutes. Watch out. Who is that laughing? Joker's wife. What time now? And then so you can't mix. Box cover.
Yeah,
Box.
sure.
That's what they want to go. So you must know. She cooking in 2G. Hey, alright, I'm going to water that. Show the hand pan now.
Alright, I'm on
And
the
if you put-
baking piece though.
And if they just dash the flour in there.
Alright, I'm on the water.
You know what
Nasty food.
Get your stand.
Alright.
It's Harley Quinn. Yes, Harley Quinn. Strawberry cake because it's pink. Oh my god, Tia, pink is too much. Bad God. Mix! Like your life depend on it. You want to mix it for you? Or you want to use the mixer?
Yeah, mixing. Oh, did it?
Somebody come and somebody get somebody mix
I
it.
did it.
They don't see it? When that?
I
Me not see him. Me not see him.
Him reach, his baby that type, probably just see God.
Auntie looks like she watches a lot of superheroes movie. Yes!
Then only animation.
My notification finally worked. Name another day. I'm gonna see him.
There's no way the person.
Does your aunt read comics? Oh no, she watch superhero movie.
There's no way the something could have moved.
Tell him to watch superhero movie. What if I
Then
do?
they never see it ever.
I like superhero movies like Avengers! Thundercat!
Then they're just not talk.
They better over here and say,
Mistake.
who is your favorite superhero?
They have to be there, man.
Who's your superhero character? Batman?
No.
Batman is not a superhero, he's just rich.
Power Ranger.
Power Ranger!
Power Ranger, the mighty.
No, Batman. Mike, Batman don't have no powers. He's just rich.
The Power Ranger.
Ooh, yeah.
Blue.
I prefer Wonder Woman. I prefer Wonder Woman. She have that super strength. Batman don't have no superpower. He's just rich.
Okay, Syria, I'm going to be baking.
Syria, I've got an hour before I go to the gym here. What's up, Auntie? Who said Power Rangers are lame? Don't say nothing about Power Rangers. The chef's power is slow motion. Oh, wow. Yes, Superman. I like Superman too. Yes. And I think I like Aquaman. Maybe.
Batman.
Yeah, I like Jason Momoa.
Wow.
I forgot to this when you buy dumpling with the fork and chip a piece and tea.
Let me see. Why you buy dumpling with a fork?
Yes. I watch. Man, where's the superhero name? Movie name with Wonder Woman and all of them.
What's it called?
God Almighty.
I don't watch it.
Yeah, I always watch it. Like I watched it like 20 times already. Wonder Woman, Aquaman, and there was Flash was in it. When they wake up Superman. Superman was dead.
Yes.
Yeah, what's the name of that?
The movie or the
Is the first time hearing her in the background?
The movie.
the movie?
She's always here.
I don't know.
What my business?
I was talking about the franchise.
What franchise, boy?
The franchise with Batman and.
It's a movie. I just don't remember what's the name of it.
Franchise. There's multiple movies.
Oh
within them.
Lord, the one that Superman was dead and they woke him up. They bring him back to life. That Wonder Woman was in it. Aquaman, Batman,
Everybody, man.
and there was Flash.
Everybody, man, was in there.
I'll be right back.
Go look Peter, come back. Where is Superwoman? Black Widow. Have you seen Blue Beetle, Auntie? Justice League, yay! Thank you!